Hey YouTube, it's Justin the Junkie. How the fuck are you guys doing today? So today what we are working on is we're in the middle of a transmission job on the Sterling. We fucked the transmission up. I'm just gonna say we, because I don't know who in the fuck broke it. But last Friday, the transmission went out in the Sterling. I know that we just fixed the transmission in the Western Start. I didn't shoot that, so I don't know if I'm gonna shoot too much of it going in. But I'm gonna show you, I got some stuff to fix before Jim comes back and helps me throw this transmission back in the truck, so I'll bring you along with that. So the first thing we needed to get is fucking these. This is rubber bushings. These are basically the rear transmission bushings, and let me tell you, these are a motherfucker to find. So if anybody has a Ford out there, Sterling, Turdling, whatever, and it's got transmission mounts that look like this, I'm gonna give you the part number. I'm gonna save you a bunch of grief. So the part number is BCD 283172. Okay, these are $75 a piece, well worth it. What they do is they slide up in there. I'll show you where it's gonna go. So what we're gonna do is do these, the motor mounts, and then there'll be another video and I'll show you how to change the bushings on a shifter. It has a bushing in it that gets wear from time to time. And I'll show you what I learned doing that, and we're gonna use the fucking mill, because if you got one, fucking go ahead and use it. So what I'm gonna do is get ready, get cleaned up in here, see if we can get these things in, get the transmission, or get the engine sitting down in the back, and then we will have to jack the front up and put that motor mount on, which shouldn't be that big of a deal just to lift the engine up. But you never know, it is the Junkie, and it is a Turdling, and it'll be quite interesting. So just remember that part number if you have these, because the Ford part number, if they're that old and you take it out, doesn't cross-reference. Got lucky. So, all right, guys, let's go on this fucking adventure. Where these bushings go is right in here. Ooh. 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 Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Okay, so as I thought, we're gonna have to jack the engine up even more to get these on, because the old ones were broke, and it should just, you know, we're gonna have to, let me see if this even, yeah, the old ones are broke. So let me go out there and jack this up real quick. There we go. Now, all right, so there's that one. So that's how they go on there, just like that. Now we'll have to, it's just the exact same on the other side here. Now what we got is, see how that one slid all the way back in there? So there's that one. See, and people say that I don't use my hammers. Let's see what we can do here. Whew. See, that should be in there. Alrighty, now the motor's moved over just a little bit. Now I think when I set this down, I'm gonna go real slow. You guys are gonna have to watch it for me. Tell me if I got her. Did we win? Oh! Fuck yeah. Look at that. We fucking won. All right, let me just check this. Oh, Oh, yeah. If you look over here, fucking winning. Alrighty, so that's our new motor mounts. There's the bottom of some other shit. But there's our brand new motor mounts in. Really happy with that. Now, definitely the motor is sitting in a better spot. So I'm going to leave the bottom bolts off, and then what I'm going to do is go up here and I'll show you the front one. Let's go ahead and get some tools and see if we can get this off. I'm going to move the jack over, and we'll have to jack this up right here. What I did is we are trying out that Capri tool set here. I got 15/16 Capri there. You can see her. Fucking lovely. I got a 15/16 wrench to get up here on this fucking shit up here. And we're going to see what we got. Oh, man. Roasted. Okay, we got one out. These are absolute junk. We might have to wire wheel that off. Alrighty, now we'll come over to the other one. Oh, come on, you motherfucker. You know, I don't know about you guys, but there you go. I feel like all mechanics are great in the dark. You know, woo, a little tight. That one's a little, somebody just fucking tighten these up. Holy shit. Woo! Got that out. But let's see if we can jack this engine up. There we go. See if we got enough room to swing this out. Gotta go up a little bit more. Ooh, okay. There's one. And this thing had good poly bushings in it. But they are fucking roasted. Now, you want to have a good jack here. Because it would be kind of fucked up. So, there's that right there. I'm going to go work on this bolt. I don't think you want to watch that. And then we are going to go ahead and get the bushings back ready to slide back in. And that'll pretty much be it for this project till I can't get the transmission till tomorrow. So I'll show you guys what it's like to put a transmission together and all that stuff if I have time. Okay, here is the motor mount that we're putting back in this thing. Now this side goes up here in the top. So we're going to, you know, feed this down in here just like that. Okay, now it had these big washers up here, so we're going to put one of those in there and one of those over there. Those washers were probably for the other thing. Now this is the bottom piece, and what that does is go up in there. Or actually, yeah, it goes up right in there. And then we'll take our new clean bolts. What do I do with the washers? Take our new bolts. We'll run this up in here and see if we can hit a fucking hole. Okay. You gotta lower it down just a cut here. And do it like All right. There's that one. Okay, now we're going to put a nut on this. Okay, now we need to get the other one fished up. Just turn this up in there till we can get a bolt started. Oh, damn it, you idiot. You gotta put the washer on it. I'm stupid. Forgot to put the washer on it. So eventually we'll get it back out. Alright, need the washer. Alright, now we know that we already hit that hole once, so we'll just, there it is. Keep turning. Okay, now we'll take our nut, get it up on here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to snug this up so I can get it to walk over just a little bit. Alright, we don't want to get too much. We just want to be able to walk it over. Alrighty, now we'll let it down. Perfect. Perfect. Winning. Alrighty, now we got that. Alrighty, now I feel like we got a motor mount on there. Oh yeah. Perfect. See, and then that keeps this rigid. Alrighty, guys, that's putting in the motor mount. Let me get cleaned up here. And this is the correct motor mount for the truck. That's what they said. I don't think that these were the right ones because they were kind of flimsy. And these are poly right here, but you know, they're no good. But anyway, that's that, and we'll be good to go. As you can see, that's how you put fucking motor mounts in a truck like a boss. We got the motor mounts done. Now I just got some other shit to do. Been piddling around the shop. Those motor mounts I got done faster than I thought. But you can see, like, if you saw the old triangular ones, they were fucking hoopa-juked. They were absolutely garbage. I threw them away at the parts store because I told them I'm not fucking with them. I don't want to look at them anymore. But like always, guys, you know, that's all that I got for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out the Patreon account, onlinetoolvendors.com, the snaponjunkie.com. If you guys want to purchase any of your t-shirts and hoodies, it really supports this channel. I could really use that. I got a whole bunch of merchandise that needs to disappear. What we'll do is, if you guys want to purchase shirts, we're going to have truck repair as a code. You'll get another 10% off already the sales items just to move this stuff out. So it'll be a link or a description, you know, the code will be down in the description. But like always, you know, check out Facebook, Instagram, all that jazz. I'm trying to get my Instagram, people that are subscribed to me or follow me on Instagram up. So I got more leverage, if you get what I'm saying. But anyway, like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.